Given that the assignment was to convey Morse code through the LEDs of an Arduino board, I wanted to implement the simple phrase, "I like you," by defining the translations of each individual letter, performed by functions representing long beeps and short beeps. The function letter to beeps would contain all the necessary characters needed in my desired phrase. I've established that the string containing my phrase would involve a maximum of 8 characters, including spaces and letters. By utilizing a for loop, we would assign the letter I as the value 0. The index value would then be compared by the maximum word length, which in this case is 8 characters within our string. Each time the loop repeats, a value is added to the index, until the middle statement is eventually false. That data would then be accessed, and the letter will be able to be converted into Morse code. We're recalling the function words to beeps.